Embark on a voyage through time as we set sail with the world's 5 oldest ships still in service, from the newest to the oldest. Serenissima, Noble Caledonia, in service, June 20, 1960. 2,598 gross tons, 285 feet passenger capacity, 118. Astoria, cruise and maritime voyages, in service, February 21, 1948. 15,614 gross tons, 525.30 feet passenger capacity, 556. Sea Cloud cruises, in service, May 3, 1931. 3,077 gross tons, 360 feet passenger capacity, 64. Rembrandt van Rijn, ocean-wide expeditions, in service, January 1, 1922. 435 gross tons, 162.40 feet passenger capacity, 33. Norderlicht, ocean-wide expeditions, in service, January 1, 1910. 113 years old. 300 gross tons, 153 feet passenger capacity, 20.